These 7 bits are a lifesaver for rough-ends. Now all 7 are available in a kit. Included in this kit is the popular #1 green and #2 red square double-ended impact bit in both 4 and 6 inches. You also get a 4 and 6 inch #2 blue Phillips, #2 red Robertson Square double-ended impact bit. These are great for lighting and boxing. Next, you get a 6 inch #1 green Robertson Square and a 6 inch #2 red Robertson Square, perfect for those who need a longer bit with more reach. Finally, a 4 inch #3 black Robertson Square. Simply grab your clip and the bit needed for the job. Insert into your drill or driver and breeze into your task for your electrical rough-in. Every bit you need at your fingertips. Buy your rough-in bit kit today at Racketeers.com.